Morning, welcome to Lobsterclawz Recovery. I'm Brittany, and we are here in Hallandale. At one of the local beach entrances. We're going to be doing the lower beach. I've got the Garrett ATX with the standard 11x13 double decoil, and we're going to be having a dandy time. How much do I find today? They think it's a business. Oh, I get all kinds. One lady said, "Does that find turtles?"
Turtles?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, lady, it finds turtles. Well, this beach, I would suggest you go farther that way.
That's right.
So I was just telling my friend, this beach is kind of chewed up. We've actually got quite a bit of erosion down that way. There's lots to do here. I expect to be back. This is a great location. So let's get the equipment going.